Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to learn how we can apply linear regression analysis on our data. Suppose we have concentrations of the fructose and we have found refractive index of each of the concentrations. Let's suppose we have concentration of the fructose in percentage of or millimolar like 5%, 10%, 15%. 20%, 25%, 30%. We have these six standards and we have found the refractive index value of these concentrations like 1.3, 3, 4, 5, and so on as shown in the table. Now we have to just select these x and y axis and click on this scattered graph. You would have this beautiful scattered graph. Just clicking on this, we have to click the analysis fitting and the linear regression. Just select the x and y axis and you would a beautiful linear regression analysis within just on the click. Now you can format this graph. It's very easy. In this table you can find the intercept value, the slope value, the linear line equation, and also you can find the slope and intercept of the linear line equation as well. Usually in the papers you can mention the linear line equation and you can find it through this linear regression analysis. Just formatted graph according to your desire. For example, the points we have to change the size of this point about 15 and the size of the line is about 5. Just select it and apply it. Then you can change the formatting of x-axis and the y-axis and make this box. For example, just click on the axis, bold this, then apply and OK. Then click on the line and text. Here you need to change the thickness of the line, that is 3, bottom line and left line, just make it 3, then top line, click on to show the line and then make the thickness 3 while major and minor tick should remain off. Apply it and OK. So now in this way you can have a very beautiful graph which is very representative in the paper as well. Now you can change the axis titles like concentration of fructose as we are doing here in millimolar, just bold it, and effective index on the y-axis. Since it is in eta, so you need to change the font style into the symbols. Then type eta here. And then just format it as a bold and click it. In this way you have a very beautiful format graph which is representative or which is the basically the desire or the demand of most of the journal articles as well. If you want to import this graph to the Excel file, to the PowerPoint file or to the Word file, you can make it very easy. Just click on the PowerPoint icon or the Word icon in the navigation bar tool. Select the file where you want to import. Just click it. Now you have this linear regression analysis curve on the PowerPoint. If you want to change, if you want to change something like legend and some formatting, so you can just click on it, double click on it. The origin will open without its data. You you cannot change the original file. You can just change the demand of any research article. Just change the percentage. For example, we need to change the concentration of the fructose from millimolar to percentage. You can make it very easy. Just click on it, change it from the millimolar to the percentage, click outside, and then sometimes since I have the very old version of the origin, so that is why sometimes it need to change it in 2 or 3 trials. Like I am changing it 3 times. Now finally, I think it has changed. Let's see. Yes, now it's changed here. So without changing the original file, you can change the parameters as required. So in this way, you can have a linear regression analysis in just 5 to 6 minutes. Thank you very much for watching.